Hi everybody, we're going to be baking what I call a lazy cake today because I'm not a good baker, and this is something you can do with your children. Big, small, everybody can help out, doesn't go in the oven, easy peasy. So what we need is, do you remember what we put in? We've already made it here.
Yes.
What did we put in? How much of this?
We put 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of this.
Cocoa powder?
Yes.
Yeah.
1 cup of coffee.
1 spoon.
1 spoon of coffee.
1 spoon of coffee.
And 1 cup of milk.
And 1 cup of
butter.
So that's all that goes into it. All goes on the hob. You give it a good stir. This is one I've prepared earlier. This is something I've always wanted to say. So there you go. There's one we made just because it takes time, so I didn't want to bore you. So all you do is you mix it all up all together at the same time. Give it a good mix until it thickens a little bit. And then what comes next, Michael?
We crack these crackers.
Biscuits.
These biscuits
So
into 4.
These are our Ulca biscuits. Yeah. Well, if they don't have them, they're going to have to go out to the shop and buy some, aren't they? Yeah?
Yes, so we have a big container here, and then we crack it into 4. And we do it with 2 whole packs.
Pour it in, you leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then it's easier for you to peel it out if you've got the cling film lining it up. And then you slice it up. Are we ready? Can I pour in my mixture now? Oh, very chocolatey. Right, do you want to give it a stir?
Yes, please. Be careful because this can be hot.
Right, you be careful. Be careful because this can be hot. Right, you ready? That's all we need to do. And now, can you help me pour it down?
Yep. I'll do this.
Let Mikey do some. Slow down, we're not in a hurry. Oh, look, you just smooth it over a little bit. And there you go.
And make sure you cover it with this wrapping paper. But if you don't have some...
Is it too much?
Here you go.
What do we need to do?
Get another container.
Dan to the rescue. So we pour in a little bit here because I was struggling to make that fit actually. Thank you.
There's still a tiny bit in here.
Okay, you can do that then. Would you say it's ready, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we can just close it up like this. And it's ready to go in our fridge. And that's it. Fridge. And enjoy.